Have you ever seen someone yawn and then suddenly you can't help but yawn too? Yawning is contagious, but why? Scientists believe it's linked to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain mirrors the action as a way of connecting. It's an unconscious signal that says, I'm with you. Interestingly, contagious yawning is more common among family and close friends than strangers, suggesting it's tied to emotional bonds. Another theory is that it helps groups stay alert together. If one person yawns because they're tired or bored, others join in, syncing the group's state of mind. So the next time you yawn after someone else, don't fight it. It just means your brain is wired for connection. Did you yawn while watching this? Be honest in the comments.